Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this product review video. Appreciate your time and your support. S21 Ultra back in the house here on Team My Project 13, second time around. I did purchase the S21 Ultra over at Swappa. Huge shout out to the seller. I had about a gazillion questions for him before I made the purchase, and everything he said, 100% true. So super stoked to have it back. I wanted it again. I didn't know what color I would end up with. The first one I had that I bought brand new through Samsung was black. Got the silver one this time. And I got 3 cases. Huge shout out to UAG that I'm going to share with all of you. And all the information that you need to know will be down below in the description area. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get into the reviewing process. The UAG Pathfinder, Mallard, and over here we have the Lucent ice case. No hard plastic polycarbonate material on the Lucent clear case here. It's just going to be all TPU. It's going to be the most minimal case out of all 3 cases, but you're still going to get protection for your S21 Ultra, and I'm going to get it for mine. And it's an investment, man. You got to protect your smartphones. And over here we have the Ice Plasma Series case. So without further ado, let's do this. So the first case we're going to look at is the UAG Pathfinder Mallard case, which we can call blue, but UAG is calling it Mallard. It's a great looking case. Look at that corner protection. Lots of material on these corners protruding out. Hard plastic polycarbonate material. Perfectly designed hard shell back to protect the back of your S21 Ultra. Man, that is just a good looking case. Got some depth going on here with the cutout surrounding the camera area. I do have a tempered glass camera protector over the camera area as well. Plenty of space to take great quality pictures and shoot great quality video. Basically what you get with this case is what you're going to get with the Plasma Series Ice case over here. It's just one you can't see through and the other one you can. You're going to get lots of protection. Put these right over there. But yeah, plenty of lip and space and depth. Now, if you set it down on a flat surface, or if the surface is a little bit rough, you're going to be fine, but please use your discretion. On the front, you're going to have a little bit of lip right here. Now, it rises as you get to the corner, and right in here, a lot of lip right around the corner here. Then it comes down just a little bit, but rising above, just above the display. The display is slightly curved, and then you get over to this area which rises above, and then it comes down a little bit there, but you're going to be fine. Flat surface a little bit rough. Again, that's just a decision you're going to have to make. On the sides, both sides, got this ridge design for that added grip that you're going to need to hold on to your S21 Ultra while sporting the Pathfinder from UAG. That is just good looking. At the bottom, we got a cutout for the speaker grill and a cutout for the USB Type-C charging port. Got a mic right there, exposed, very nice. And up top, a couple cutouts right there for the 2 other mics there. And we have the power button covered up and the volume rocker covered up. But you can see that you have the plus symbol for up, minus symbol for down, and the power button there. You can feel the ridged area there as well. So we'll go ahead and get into my S21 Ultra so we can test out the volume rocker and everything working great there. Yeah, very nice. And that is the Mallard Pathfinder from UAG. All right. You know what? Got to test out the wireless charging before I move on. Bam! Just like that. All right. Make sure I test all the areas out. Now, I don't necessarily need to test that out with the Plasma Series Ice. Man, that looks solid. That is tough. Whew, wow. That is a good, wait, let me stamp that in there. There we go. Now it looks even better. Plenty of lip. Now the camera protector here, the tempered glass camera protector, is going to come up on the lip, but if that wasn't there, there'd be even more depth, but there's still some depth going on there, and that's the same thing with the Mallard case too as well. But I love the protection that I got going on with the camera area, with that glass protector and the lip and the depth, corner protection, lip protection, mostly right up in here and right in here. So setting the S21 Ultra face down with both of these cases, there's going to be a little bit of a gap in there, just a tiny little bit, but it's, the display is going to rise above your flat surface, or if the surface is a little bit rough. Yeah, that is nice. Wow, that is good looking. All right. Boom, just like that. Loving it, loving it. All those important cutouts, all the cutouts will be precise. Yeah, that's a nice look. All right, let's get to the Lucent Ice. And it's got that really cool design back there. Look at that. So a little more minimal, all TPU. Over here we have a little bit of TPU and hard plastic polycarbonate material. But yeah, man. Now the lip of the Lucent is actually in line with the glass camera protector, right in line. But again, plenty of protection for me. The only thing exposed here is this area here, but these main cameras here are not exposed, okay? So I'm not gonna be too concerned, and there's depth right in here with this little cutout right here. Very nice cutouts for the mics. And down below, speaker grill, and you have your USB Type-C charging port area and mic exposed there as well. We have plenty of lip right around here. Comes down just a little bit. Comes up again right around there and goes down right in there. So setting it down this way, just a little bit of a gap. We're about even right here. Take away that glass protector and you're gonna have that depth. You're gonna feel the depth, but right now it's pretty much flush. And that works really nice. And the one thing about the volume rocker and the power button is they're sort of flush with the side of the case. Unlike these two cases, you can feel they protrude out, the volume rocker and the power button. You can see that. Here, it's going to be pretty flush. There's a little bit of a bump in the power button and volume rocker area. So you're gonna have to feel for those areas, but this case, the Lucent case, is a lot grippier. So if you want something a little more minimalistic, something that you want that smooth feeling all the way around, but yet grippy, here you go. And you got this nice pattern on the back. You got protection going on here. With this case, I would really suggest protecting the camera area. Yeah, this is really, really nice. Gives it a really nice look. The Ice Lucent series here for the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Well, wait, here we go. So let's go ahead and test out the wireless charging. Boom, took a second to react, but we got it going on there. If you have any questions, please leave that down below in the comment section. Anything I missed, anything I didn't talk about. With that, again, a huge shout out, UAG. God bless you all. Stay safe and healthy. Peace. I am out.